Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And I have started something new. It's called consulting service or consultation service, whatever you call it. So this is for those people, I have come across so many, people contacting me on Microsoft Teams here. And, they have issues with their previous trades. Okay, so they're either stuck in the trade or they lost some trades and they need some mentor, they need some guidance, and obviously they can't afford thousands of dollars to pay a mentor. Okay, so my skills are of the same level as well. I could charge you $10,000 for my mentorship, but I think if you want to speak to somebody one to one in person who has this knowledge, I have this consultation service which you can go and book 30 minutes consultation initially. Okay. And if you have any questions in your mind, you can ask me. If you had been in the losing streak, you had been losing all these trades, you want me to review those trades for you, I can do that during that call. Or I can connect with your laptop and remotely, and I can see your chart setup and I can recommend you if anything has to be updated or changed on your chart setup. Okay, so you can go and check out the first link, and then the second link says get my swing setups. In case you want to take my trades, then join the monthly membership here. And I also have the swing trading on automation robot. So this robot does swing trading on automation based on daily chart. It only takes 1 to 2 trades per month, high quality. Okay, and you can always join my free Telegram. So before we start the actual analysis, I wanted to give you all this because yeah, you can go and book one-to-one consultation. As I said, even if you have psychology issues that you can't wait, sometimes it happens you exit out of the trade and then the trade moves into that direction. Okay, it happens very common. Okay, so far if you have been blowing up your account, you have some issues with the patience level, whatever, you want to discuss your previous trades or you want some help as a mentor, then click on the first link below where it says book consultation, check and check brokers, and check out these links too. So once you click on the first link, I'll show you how it looks like and what to do here. So scroll down and it says book one-to-one consultation audio call for 30 minutes, and that's the price here. And after you make the payment, you can email me or you can send me a message on Microsoft Teams directly here. That's Microsoft Teams. So we will connect audio call with you on Microsoft Teams only, and you can discuss everything in, you can have your questions ready and we can talk about all of this in next 30 minutes. Okay, I'm doing this because you know what, by the looks of it, you can know now. If you watch my YouTube videos, I like to talk. Okay, so I do like to talk, and that's why I'm doing this for those people who are actually in need of help. Okay, so for example, let's say you can't pay $10,000 to a mentor right now. Okay, if you can't pay, let's say, thousands of dollars to some mentor, and they probably will not even have my skill. They might have the money. Make money is a different thing, than skill. Somebody might have so much skill but not that kind of money. Somebody might have that kind of money but not skill. Okay, so again, if you can't afford to pay those mentors $10,000, you can always book the short 30 minutes call, because I am doing this not for money. For example, a person like me with my skill can make more money than than $97 with my trading. Okay, so I am doing this because I like to talk. So if you go and watch my analysis videos, this person likes to talk when he record the YouTube videos. Okay, and I'm doing this for those people who actually are either stuck in a losing streak or they just need some mental guidance. Okay, so if you want to learn more and you have questions, then book one-to-one consultation. You can check out these brokers here for yourself. Okay, whichever country you're from, these are the brokers. Go and join them and check out the link, subscribe, like and share. And now let's start the analysis finally. All right, GBPUSD analysis. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, bullish. Bullish engulfing candle in weekly. We are going to go up. We're gonna go up. Okay, look for longs only. Daily, we are gonna go up. So this is your bullish breakout. This previous candle is taken. Okay, so it's pretty easy peasy. This is your bullish breakout. Okay, you have to wait for the pullback. It's gonna take days. Okay, nice, beautiful long-term trend do not form in just one day. it will take some time. Okay, we have a confirmation that we have created a bullish breakout in Delhi. This is gonna continue going up. Okay, entry comes from maybe 4 hour. Coming back to 4 hour, absolutely don't be a moron here to enter right now. Pull back from the EMA basics. Pull back, rejection from the EMA, bullish candle, then you go long. Okay, that's it. Look for longs in GBPUSD. All right. In the beginning, told you if you are losing money, if you have some issues with your setup, with your patterns, price action, whatever you want to consult with me, whether it's about stocks, trading, or this Forex or crypto or gold, silver, book consultation. And I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, subscribe, like, and share.